Stop jumping. What's that? Oh.
Come here. Let's dry you off. Oh, you're not going yet. You're too wet. All wet. Look, her face is not clean. No, your face ain't clean. What we're going to do about that?
Oh, yeah, do Molly. Look at her. You think that's torture?
No, she
Carry her out. Maybe.
no, because she'll be real wet. Does she just let her dry on her own?
Yeah. It makes her more poofy.
Let's have a look at your underbelly. Let's have a look.
Oh my, she's like a big fat nincompoop.
Are you better now? Is that better? I think she'll be alright.
She's your little tail.
You gonna run? Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on there.
Go.
Come on.
Molly,
let's go.
this
Take her in
way.
here. This way.
Hurry.
Come on.
What's going on? She's gotta go on the carpet. Go on the carpet.
Just trying to dry out.
Come on, Molly. Molly, out. Get her out. She's a naked Molly. I can't even see her butt. I can't even see her bare butt.
Shh. She's full of dust.
Like a pig in there. Pig in the blanket.
Molly.
Come on. You'll be all dusty and I just washed you. Just washed you. Come out.
I'm trying to keep her.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on, Patrick.
Just pause it till she